babes, welcome back to my channel and to this video that's going to be just me playing a bit with the Sweet Talk palette by Colourpop and a couple of other things like the jelly shadow, a blush, and also one of the lipsticks. Is this the one I'm wearing? No. I am wearing this one, You're Thriving. I tried to do a Pantone Color of the Year Living Coral look. I don't know how I did. I feel like I did okay. I was sent this collection, not all of it, but parts of it by Colourpop as PR, and I'm so grateful because you know how I wanted to get this one. This was on my list of things that I wanted to buy, and I'm so excited and still shocked that I am able to get such lovely things in PR, and I'm so happy to be showing you this palette. I did this look, like I said, I used a couple of the colors. I'm super excited to be trying it out more and then reviewing it for you. First impression though, it's a really nice palette. It seems to be normal Colourpop good quality, so I do kind of recommend it if you were eyeing it. Did use this shadow as well. I do really like the jelly shadow. So I hope you enjoyed this look. Let's just get into it, and if you have any questions, ask me down below because I'm scatterbrained today. Okay, let's get into the look. Okay, hello, we are doing a look. I'm so excited because we're gonna play with the Spring collection by Colourpop. Let me get that one. These are the, what were these called? The palette is called Sweet Talk. And I have only taken pictures of this. I am not swatched, there's a hair here, not swatched or tried any of these. This was sent to me as PR by Colourpop, and I'm so grateful. I don't know if I remember to talk about that in the beginning. 2 Super Shock Cheeks, I think we're gonna start with those. 3 of the jelly shadows, I think I'm gonna try at least one of them. 3 lipsticks, and then the palette. But I think I'm gonna start with the blush because I have had makeup on before today. That's why it's a bit patchy here, because I tried to put some more bronzer on and it didn't really want to. But I didn't feel ready. Like I was not ready with makeup. I wanted to try more makeup, so I decided to take it off and do even more makeup. That's how I feel sometimes. Like I love putting on makeup so much. And sometimes I just take it off and put more on because I love it. I love it so much. So we have 2 blushes to choose from. One is Growth Flirt, and one is Count Me In. I feel like this one maybe because I want to do, these are the Super Shock Cheeks. So they are a bit, I'm gonna use one of these. This is actually from Colourpop. This is the F9. It's a small duo fiber. This is like a cream to powder thing. So I am gonna try this. And I want to do because I haven't done that, which is so weird, a Living Coral look. Because that is the Pantone Color of the Year, and it is one of my favorite colors when it comes to makeup, and when it comes to spring is coral. So for me to not do anything seems weird. That was beautiful. And I'm putting a bit up here as well because I've been a bit into this whole draping business, and it is still a bit patchy here, but we're gonna live with that. Okay, I love the Super Shock Cheeks. I don't think I've tried any of or have I? The matte ones, because this one doesn't have any shimmer, this Count Me In. Am I too far away? Probably. I think that this was pretty. I'm just gonna put some highlighter over. This one is peach, and I thought it would fit this theme. This is the Cruella highlighter, the Super Shock Chic one. I'm just gonna put that all over. I am using my FO3 by Sigma. I think that these work perfect for these Super Shock formulas. As you can see, this brush is great for that. If you take it on the side and then just put it on and then go over and blend it in. I'm taking it all over my cheeks now so that we can get some of the patchiness away. But I thought that this peachy one would be perfect now that we are doing a coral eye look, or a more springy eye look. My makeup does look like I've had different makeup on before, but what can you do? It's life. That's pretty though. I really love these Villains highlighters. Beautiful. So we're gonna do something, because I have 3 of the jelly shadows. Let me see if I can put them out. These are the 3 I have. I have Big Ego. I have Synthesis, and I have Close to You. They are all like, here, you can see they're all very shimmery. One is more like an old gold, the one in the middle. This is like a purple with almost a blue sheen, or like a blue green sheen, and then this one is a super pinky peach, and I thought that this one would go well, the one that's called Close to You, with these with this palette. I think all of them would look good with this palette though, to be honest. This is Sweet Talk palette. It's so beautiful. I'm so grateful and happy to have this. I was so close to ordering this, and then I got it in PR. It's astounding. That's not a word. Where is it in focus? Here. This is what she looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. It says "You're pretty," and then these are the shadows. You can see there are 2 glitters. It's these 2 right here, and this one is a Super Shock formula. The Super Shock shadow. And this is the first time it's in a palette like this, and I'm super excited to see how all of these are. So excited. Do I want to wear glitter? I don't really know if I feel like glitter. I think I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna use, so we're doing coral. So I think I'm gonna use this one, and then this one on the lid, the Garden Date. I just want to play. I just want to play. Do I want to put a lipstick on first? You're Thriving. These are the lipsticks. That's beautiful. Let me see what the other ones looks like. Okay, so these are the lipsticks I have. This one is Tea Time. And this one is Spring Roll. It's the more nudie one. And then we have this one that's called You're Thriving. It's more of a coral. I think I'm gonna put that one on actually. That is a really pretty color, and it is a bit coral. Really do like that one. Okay, now I'm gonna do Meadow and ICYMI. Huh? I feel very old. What is that? No idea. No idea what that is, but I'm doing those 2 colors. ICYMI. I'm using the same 2 colors. Just started with the darkest, and now I'm blending the darkest out with the lightest. Or the lighter of the 2. Now I'm using that Garden Date, the shimmer peachy gold. Just gonna put that on my lid. I did spray it because I'm trying to get as little fallout as possible. I'm putting that on all of my lid, but I'm saving a bit here in the inner corner because I am gonna use that jelly shadow. Just gently blending it together with the rest. Okay, I'm opening this one now. It's called Close to You. And it has the matching lid, and then when you open it, it has one of these like little lids, and this is what the shadow looks like. It is a beautiful yellow one with like gold and pink glitter. And I'm just gonna use a pencil brush. I'm just gonna go in, take some up and put it, I think here in my inner corners. If I can get some on my brush. Just gonna blend it into this other shade. Wow, that's really, really pretty. This is very, very, very pretty. I put some in my inner corners as well, and I'm just tapping out the rest now. Isn't this super pretty? It's like a coral going into a pink. Oh, love this formula. It's so nice. And back with the lid, and just really, really screwed this one back on. So you make sure that they do not dry out. And I think that's gonna be everything for the look. I think I'm gonna put... I'll find something for the waterline. I'm gonna do some mascara. And I think that's gonna be it. Do I wanna put some falsies on? Maybe. Let me put some mascara and find something for the waterline, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. I use the Puppy. It's an orange liner. I used that in my waterline because I thought maybe orange, because this is more of an orangey coral and this is more like a pink, and these maybe together form some kind of an orange coral living. I'm going for the living coral. It's my story and I'm sticking to it. Sue me. I'm gonna put on these sirens. These have been used. They don't look that pretty. Maybe I should be showing these. I'm gonna go with the sirens. I haven't been using them for such a long time, and I'm not wearing any liner. I do love the sirens when I don't have a liner on. So I'm gonna put those on. I'm gonna brush my hair. I need it, and I'll be back and show you the finished living coral look. Okay, so the look is finished. This is my living coral look. This is the Pantone color of the year. I feel like I stuck it to be pretty coral. I know sometimes coral is like hard to describe because it is a mix between pink and orange, and I feel like I have some parts that lean more orange and some parts that lean more pink, so maybe I get away with it like that. I do like it. I do like it. My hair needs to be washed though, but let's ignore that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this look. I so far really enjoyed this palette. I'm so grateful to have it. Thank you so much, Colourpop, for sending this my way. I cannot wait to play more with it. It's so beautiful. I know I didn't use either the glitter or the Super Shock shadow today, but when it's playtime, you have to do what you just want to do. And this is what I wanted to do. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to be subscribed, please do. And if you don't want to be subscribed, that's fine anyways. Maybe we'll see each other in the next video anyways. Bye!